Hello guys, welcome to Lot of Tech's YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how we can install Solus OS on our PC. Solus OS is one of the best Linux distro right now. So let's begin. For installing Solus OS, first we need to download Solus OS ISO. You can download it by searching download Solus OS on Google, or you can also click on the link provided in the description. After clicking on the link, you will be directed towards Solus OS webpage. On Solus OS webpage, you can click on the closest button under any of the Solus OS versions. I am downloading Budgie, but you can download any of the Solus OS versions you like. After that, we need to download Rufus. To download Rufus, Google search about download Rufus, or you can also click on the link provided in the description. On Rufus webpage, click on the latest version to download. Here latest version is Rufus 3.11. Click on it and it should start downloading. Once Rufus and Solus OS ISO are downloaded, we need to create a bootable USB for installation of Solus OS. For that, open Rufus. And plug a USB flash drive into your PC. In devices, select the USB drive that you want to use, but do note all the data on that USB drive will get erased. Once you have selected USB drive, click on select and browse for the Solus OS ISO file which we have downloaded earlier. And once you are ready, click on start. A few prompts will appear, click on OK and it will start copying Solus OS ISO file on USB. Wait till it gets complete. And when it's ready, close Rufus and restart your PC. After restart, at startup, press F2 or escape key. These are general keys to get into BIOS menu. Then when you are into BIOS menu, navigate to boot tab. In boot tab, change boot priority to make USB at the first, so that the system will boot from USB. Now when you are done, press F10 to save and exit. After this, it will start booting from Solus OS USB. Wait till it gets booted. Now you will be able to see Solus OS on your screen. This is live mode in which you can try using Solus OS. Once you are sure to install it, click on the installer icon in left corner. Now select your language and click on next. Then again click next. Now select your keyboard layout here. Again I am selecting English. Then click on next. Now you need to select your time zone, for which you can select any nearby location. I am selecting India and click next. Now here it is where should we install. In this, if your system has multiple drives, you can select any one hard drive. And if your system has only one drive, you don't need to do anything. But do remember, all the data on the selected drive will get erased. So if you have any data on that drive, back it up before proceeding further. Keep it on automatically partition this empty disk and click on next. Now here you don't need to do anything, just click on next. On this screen you need to give your system a name. Name should be in lowercase only. I am giving it Lot of Tech PC. After giving it a name, do check that install a bootloader is checked. If it's checked, then click on next. Now fill up some details like your username, real name and password. Fill these details and click on add now. After clicking add now, you will see the user account created. Then click on next. Here click on install and do note all the data on your system hard drive will get erased. Then click on OK. Now wait till the installation gets completed. Now when it's completed, you will see dialog box showing restart now. Click on restart now and remove the Solus OS USB. Now type the password and press enter. Now you should see Solus OS installed on your system. This completes installation. I am Akash, this is Lot of Tech, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Till next video, goodbye.